This Carote 12 Pieces ceramic pots and pans set offers a perfect combination of health-conscious design, superior cooking performance, and everyday convenience. Engineered with a non-toxic ceramic coating, this cookware set ensures effortless food release, easy cleaning, and long-lasting durability, transforming your cooking experience. Every piece in this set, from the 8.5-inch fry pan to the 5.5-quart casserole with lid, is crafted to provide uniform heat distribution, reducing hot spots and allowing your meals to cook evenly and consistently. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast, a hearty family dinner, or a delicate sauce, the Carote ceramic cookware elevates your kitchen routine with style, performance, and peace of mind. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. Carote's cookware set addresses the common challenges that home cooks face with traditional pots and pans. Many non-stick sets degrade over time, release harmful chemicals, or require excessive oil to prevent sticking. This 12-piece set solves these problems through high-quality, chemical-free ceramic coating, ensuring safe cooking without compromising on convenience or flavor. The sturdy construction combined with non-stick performance guarantees that every meal is prepared safely, cooked evenly, and cleaned effortlessly, making it an essential addition to modern kitchens. Why Carote stands out? Unlike conventional cookware, which often requires extra oil, scrubbing, or careful temperature management, the Carote 12-pieces ceramic cookware set is designed to deliver both high performance and simplicity. Its non-stick ceramic coating ensures that even delicate foods, such as eggs or fish, slide off effortlessly without sticking or breaking. The taupe-colored finish adds a contemporary aesthetic to your kitchen, making your cookware not just functional but also stylish. This set is lightweight yet sturdy, providing a comfortable cooking experience without compromising durability. Health and safety. The Carote cookware set stands out for its commitment to health and safety. With a ceramic coating free of PFOA, PFAS, PTFE, lead, and cadmium, every cooking session is chemical-free. The smooth, non-toxic surface requires less oil, helping you prepare healthier meals for your family. This makes it ideal for individuals seeking a balanced lifestyle without sacrificing flavor or cooking performance. Ease of use and cleaning. The smooth ceramic nonstick surface ensures minimal effort in both cooking and cleaning. Food slides off easily, reducing scrubbing and maintaining the integrity of the cookware. The included pan protectors allow stacking without scratching, saving storage space while preserving the nonstick surface. With its lightweight design and ergonomic handles, the set is comfortable to handle and maneuver, making everyday cooking tasks effortless. Durability and long-term performance. Constructed with high-quality ceramic coating and reinforced materials, this cookware set is built to last. Unlike traditional non-stick sets that wear off or warp, Carote provides consistent performance for every dish. The included lids fit securely, helping retain moisture and flavor during cooking. Whether you are simmering sauces, sautéing vegetables, or roasting meats, the Carote 12-pieces ceramic cookware set ensures a superior cooking experience day after day. Perfect for health-conscious cooks looking for non-toxic cookware, small families or individuals wanting versatile, everyday cookware, home chefs seeking easy-to-clean and durable non-stick pots and pans, anyone looking to upgrade kitchen aesthetics with a stylish taupe-colored set, ideal gift for weddings, housewarmings, or kitchen enthusiasts. Final verdict. The Carote 12-pieces ceramic pots and pans set is a complete solution for safe, efficient, and enjoyable cooking. Its high-quality ceramic coating provides non-stick performance without harmful chemicals, ensuring healthier meals for your family. The versatile set covers all essential cookware needs, while ergonomic designs and pan protectors make it user-friendly and durable. Lightweight, stylish, and reliable, Carote delivers a top-tier cooking experience with unmatched convenience. Elevate your kitchen today with this all-in-one cookware set and enjoy effortless cooking, easy cleanup, and peace of mind. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.